Welcome sa cooking show ni Titi!
Hi! Good day to all of you and especially to Mom Jen. My name is Sachi Sofia Marzo and ang gagawin kong dish ngayon is called omurice. Omurice is a popular dish in Japan, which is yung main dish niya is itlog and then nakapatong siya sa kanin, which is yung fried rice na gagawin natin mamaya. So if ever now you don't know about omurice, here's the video. So, ayun, yun yung omurice. And, hep. Dahil nga beginner lang tayo, is hindi naman perfect yung magagawa natin. And, tatry kong gumawa with sauce. Kasi, hindi naman ako as in professional. So, I'll try my best. Bye-bye!
So, bago tayo mag-start, syempre hindi mawawala yung PPT.
Break time.
Tempo joga na minha cara e faz
So, ayun, natapos ko na nga yung dish na omurice and I would say that yung dish na ginawa ko, na niluto ko is successful. And as a beginner, may bago akong skill and may bago akong natutunan about making an omurice. So, that's all. Thank you!
Wow!